Hi, welcome to a guided meditation session. I'm Vidhika and I'll guide you today through a blissful meditation experience. Before we start, know that if you doze off, it's completely okay. This meditation will help you when you feel uptight, tensed, or just in need of some quiet, peaceful time to totally relax. Find yourself an empty place where you will not be disturbed. Get comfortable and we can then begin. Take a long deep breath into your belly and exhale slowly as you breathe through your nose. Be aware of the rhythm of your breathing. To settle in for your meditation, gently allow your neck to drift from left to right till you feel grounded. Take deep breaths into your abs and exhale slowly. It's easy to notice tension, but allow yourself to notice what relaxes you. Inhale to feel lightened and exhale to sink into your mat. Letting yourself be here for 3 more deep breaths. As you exhale, notice any tension leaving through your breath. This time is for you to relax, so allow yourself to be here in this present moment. Focus on your breath and notice the breath going in and expanding your abdomen. Maybe this time through, you even out the breath. Place your hand on your chest to observe the expansion and contraction of your chest muscles as you breathe in and out. And as you continue to focus on your breath, simply breathing in your natural pace, you will feel more and more relaxed. If your mind has begun to wander, bring it back to your breath. Allow yourself to shift your attention to your body and the surface that you may be sitting or lying on. Simply allow your body to relax completely into the surface. And as you allow your body to relax, take this time to notice how each part of your body feels. Notice how your head and neck feels. Notice how your shoulders and palms feel. And try to let go and relax. Let your hands and your fingers relax. Notice how your breath allows your back and chest to relax. And your abs and hips to relax. And as you continue to allow your body to relax, notice how your thighs and calves relax. And if you notice any tension, try to send your breath there. Think of the body part that you feel is tensed and take deep breaths in and out. Begin to observe the sensation of the sole of your feet, your hands, and your back touching the surface beneath you. Now observe the sound around you. Maybe it's the sound of the beach waves. Maybe it's the sound of my voice. Or maybe it's the sound of nothingness. These sounds are all adding to your relaxation. Continue to breathe deeply through your nose and into your belly. Slowly bringing the breath in and releasing it all out. You are relaxed and enjoying deep belly breathing. Just let my voice and the music help you to relax deeper. They are all part of the experience. Bring your awareness back to your breathing as you now deeply relax. You can continue to enjoy this wonderful experience, but if you're ready to be guided out, be awakened, and conclude this meditation. Start moving your fingers and feeling your muscles reawaken and your whole body filled with energy and positivity. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for letting me guide you through this session, and I'll see you on your time. Namaste.